it'll film this correctly. Alright, so we have 6 panels on here. They're sometimes hitting about almost 900 watts. I've got this one here all by itself running this 1000-watt air conditioner. And then I've got these two over here with, one's got 6 panels on it and one's got 8 panels on it. We're running 4 air conditioners. Right now one of them is not on. It should be about 69 amps. But here we go. 60. We're making 68 right now. The reason the voltage is getting better is because the sun's starting to come out. So anyway, I cannot believe that this thing is actually doing it. So we have 20 panels in total, and this thing just decided to get stupid. I still am drawing all this power. But this one, it just like, it does this crap where it just wants to shut down, and like as soon as the other charge controllers start to really work, it'll just kick down to like 30 or 40 watts. I have no idea why. And then when the load gets really nasty, it'll kick back in when it's too late. It's stupid. I really don't know why. So now it's sucking 40 amps out of the battery. Yeah, it's got over 1,000 watts of load. Where's that? This menu is so confusing. 169 watts, and it's making this thing put out 32 amps, which means the other one probably is also. Yeah. So basically, these two are supplying all the load, and this thing just went to sleep. I'd rather it kept putting amps into the battery, or, you know, carried its fair share of the weight so these don't have to work at full capacity. But it doesn't. I don't know what the hell the deal is. Yeah. Kicked back in. If you've got one of these and you know about this and you had this problem, please comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys.